Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a step-by-step tutorial on the Warrior Plus affiliate program. In this video, we're going to talk about Warrior Plus and we're going to show you how you can join this amazing platform and start your affiliate marketing journey. So watch this video till the end. Now let's begin. As you can see, we are on the homepage of warriorplus.com and it is the best-in-class sales and marketing automation platform and marketplace for digital business owners and online marketers. To start your affiliate marketing journey with warriorplus.com, you simply need to click on sign up free over here or click this red button on the top right corner that says free sign up. You will be then taken to this page where you need to sign up by giving in your username, a password, the email address and verifying that you're not a robot, and finally click the create an account button. So I'm going to go ahead and do all that and I'll see you in a second. So once you have joined Warrior Plus, you will end up on this page and on the top right corner you can see there is a button called dashboard. Click on it. So this is basically your Warrior Plus dashboard. And as you can see, these are the top products that are currently being sold on this platform. Well, not exactly sold. These are the programs that you can join as an affiliate marketer. So let's begin. So first, let's look at these top products. You can hover your cursor on Marketplace on the top navigation bar and click on Top Products. So as you can see, these are the top selling programs currently on warriorplus.com, but this is not exactly where you will be getting your links or your offers. For that, you need to hover your cursor on affiliate on the top navigation bar and go to offers. Now this is where you can join any affiliate marketing program on this platform Warrior Plus. And you can see there are tons and tons and tons of them and lots of pages over here. So let's talk about the data over here. How will you decide which program you need to join? So all you need to do is click on request over here against any program. But how will you decide which program is the good one for you? Well, you can make use of the data over here. So the release date, does it matter? Well, not too much, but yes, it does matter, because if you're going for something that was released, say, in the last year or 2 years ago, chances are that a lot of people have already marketed for that particular program, and so you may not get that much of a conversion rate. Speaking of conversion rate, that is right over here. Now, this matters. The higher the conversion rate, the better that program will be to join. Simply, it means that the more number of people have clicked on the link when it had been marketed by affiliate marketers on whatever platform they have done it. Sales is another thing that you do need to take care of, because the higher the sales, the more it is of use for you. And so that is what's important over here. Then another thing that's important to consider is this little heart thing. Well, what is this? It is nothing but the pulse. Pulse simply means it is an indicator of how well this affiliate program has performed. The higher the plus, the better it would be to join that particular program. So yes, that also matters. So now, based on all these data, let's just go ahead and search for something that is good. Now, I can see that this is kind of relatively new, released this year. It's got a good conversion rate and the pulse is also high. So let's go ahead and click on request. And when you click request on any of the marketing programs, it'll open in a new page like this. And you can see that these are the details of it. If you like what you see and you want to join it, you can simply contact the vendor directly and ask for permission, or else click on request approval over here. And you can leave notes if you want and just click on request offer. That's how it works. So this is how you will be joining any affiliate program on Warrior Plus. Now let's look at how the dashboard looks like how will you see what you have joined and what not and how much you have earned. For that, hover your cursor on affiliate and click on dashboard. It'll take you to your actual dashboard where you can see all these data from how much you have earned today, how much you made yesterday, how much you made in the last 7 days, and how much you made in the last 30 days. And this will be a more detailed information about how much you have made on what date, etc. And if you scroll down, you can see all the information about your subscribers and other things over here. And you can also see the requests that are pending and approved. So you can see I've got 9 pending, and well, this is kind of a bug over here. I've not gotten that many approved. If you want to see more details about it, you can simply click on more. And here you will be able to see all the programs. And if you just click on show all offers, you can just choose any to filter these offers. Another great thing about this place is that they do have a calendar. So if you hover your cursor on affiliate, you will get access to this thing called launch calendar. And in the calendar, you can see which programs are going to be launched and which had been launched. Like you can see according to the date when which program was launched, and you can see the ones that are upcoming as well. So this gives you an idea, like you can stay ahead of time and see what is coming up and be one of the first appliers for any of the programs. Like if you like something, say you want to apply for this one, you can simply click on it and it'll open and you can request for approval even before the date this program goes live, which is amazing because you will be one of the first people to get access to the link. Now in this vendor tab, well, this is not exactly of any use unless and until you have a product to sell on this platform. Then you can join as a vendor and this section will be of use to you. Otherwise it's of exactly not any use if you're someone who's just here to do affiliate marketing. Now let's go and check out categories under marketplace. Under categories, you can see that these are all the categories that the products on this platform cater to. You got everything from marketing, education, platforms, industries, software, services, and a lot more. Another thing that you can get access through the marketplace tab over here is deal of the day. And if you click on it, you will get the information about the deals of the day. Now, suppose you have joined as an affiliate marketer, how will you withdraw your cash? Well, hover your cursor on your name and go to this one that says W Plus Wallet. Now over here, currently it is 0 USD because I have not started marketing. But once you have made money over here, you can click on withdraw over here. Then you can see that you need to fill out the tax form, which requires all these details. So once you have all that set up, then you can withdraw your money. And on warriorplus.com, you can withdraw to your PayPal or even Payoneer account. Now, suppose you had applied for a marketing program and it has gotten approved. Now, how do you get the link and how do you start marketing? Well, for that, hover your cursor on affiliate and go to dashboard. Scroll down and over here, click on more. On this page, on the right side, click on all offers and click on approved only. This will give you a list of all those programs that you have gotten approved for. So you can see these are the programs that I have got approved for. You simply need to click on get link and this is the link. Just select the link and copy it. And now let's see how you can market these links. So say for example, you're a member on Pinterest. So you simply log into your Pinterest account, go to create, click create pin, and on this page you can give whatever information you want, add a picture, add a title, add some more detail about what you are marketing for, and then over here in the destination link you will paste the link that you got from Warrior Plus. The same thing you can do on Facebook as well. So all you need to do is search for, say, affiliate marketing or whatever program you have gotten approved for. Search for something that is relevant to it. And under groups, you will see so many groups. So what you can do is you will join these groups. And once you have been approved as a member of the group, you can post on these groups your link. So make sure you're not spamming the groups and just be genuine. And with this, we have completed our video and step-by-step tutorial on the affiliate programs on Warrior Plus. With this, we come to an end on this video. We truly hope it has benefited you. Do let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. We'll catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.